Alam mo ba kung bakit maganda mag-invest sa Deca Homes? Una, affordable ang monthly amortization. Kaya kahit nagsisimula ka pa lang, kaya mo nang magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Pangalawa, strategic location. Malapit sa schools, malls at public transportation kaya sobrang convenient ang pamumuhay. Pangatlo, secured community. May guardhouse, gated entrance at maayos na paligid. Perfect para sa pamilya mo. At hindi lang yan. Dahil sa mga future developments and infrastructure projects tulad ng mga bagong expressways, commercial hubs, at transport terminals, tataas pa lalo ang property value ng Deca Homes. Kaya kung pagod ka na mangupahan at gustong magkaroon ng sariling bahay, choose Deca Homes, where your dream home and smart investment begin. Invest where your money grows and secure your family's safety and your future today. Book your site viewing now.